Okay, why am I standing next to a milkshake maker? It's a blender. We buy them at garage sales because we go through a lot of them. You don't want to use it for paper making and then go back and make a milkshake. Make sure it's a dedicated paper making blender. But what I want to talk about is inclusions. So when you see handmade sheets of paper, oftentimes they have beautiful flecks of different materials in them. Inclusions can be almost anything. They can be botanicals, they can be threads. This is embroidery thread that's been cut real fine. This is a wasp nest. This might not look good in a mint green sheet of paper, but in a brown sheet or an ivory sheet with these little flecks of this material in there, really a beautiful sheet. This is iridescent flakes, the kind that you might find at Christmas time. This makes a really nice shimmery sheet, but don't use glitter. Glitter just gets everywhere, and it's not good for the environment, it's not good for your studio, and if you use glitter, you're gonna find it all over the place months later. This is lemon verbena. So how do we get started? We've got our blender. It's filled maybe 2/3 with water. The lid is on. Take some of this tea and take this middle of the lid off. Get the blender going. Add that in. Basically, you've got a giant cup of tea. You're going to just add it. You can add a little bit at a time so you make sure you don't overdo. Sometimes you've got enough, sometimes too much, so take it slow. Again, this is a green kind of material and we've got green pulp, so I'm not quite sure how much it will show up, but we'll give it a go. Same motion as always, dip down as far as you can, lift it up, shake it around. Oh yeah, that's nice. That's real nice. Take it over to the cooching vat. Pressing down top, bottom, sides. Water, you can see why we're in a vat, because the water is squeezing out on the edges. Lift it up, and there you've got a sheet of paper with this really nice flecky tea leaf.